Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already saved a backup. Now focus on the text you want to change. Select the range or press Ctrl plus A to affect the whole document. Once selected, look at the Home ribbon to confirm the current font and style. This tells you whether direct formatting or a style controls appearance. If clear formatting is visible, use it to strip overrides. Make sure you can see the ribbon. Collapse or expand it so the font drop-down and styles pane are available for the next steps. Change fonts at the style level when possible. Open the Styles pane, right-click Normal or Heading Styles, choose Modify, pick the font and click Apply to update everywhere using that style. If text has manual overrides, directly change the font drop-down in the Home ribbon to enforce the new typeface. For targeted bulk edits, press Ctrl plus H, click More, Format Font, set the replacement font and replace all. This replaces formatted text consistently. Make sure to preview changes before saving to avoid unintended formatting shift. Finalize by updating style definitions and reviewing the document for residual manual formatting. Use clear formatting on any stubborn spans and reapply the correct style. If you will share or print, embed fonts under File option save to preserve appearance on other systems. If problems persist, verify the font is installed on your system and check compatibility mode for legacy docs. Once fixed, save a new copy. One key tip: restart Word after installing fonts to ensure the application recognizes new typefaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.